And we're back, at least officially. I know a lot of people did work over break. I can see the homework assignments in Wiley Plus that are completed in the labs and the project. But officially, today, we're back in school. So whether you did do some work over break and tried to spread it out, or if you took a week off, I think either of those are completely valid things to do. Either way, hope you had a good break, and I guess now officially we're back. I just did this video, and then when I got done, I realized I had the microphone muted. And that one, I got everything in, and I know it. So I have it written down in notes here, so hopefully I don't forget anything. I hope not, considering that I wrote it down. First thing is there are 2 homework assignments and 1 lab due tonight. The 2 homework assignments, in a way, that's kind of misleading because the first one is really short. The first one just covers the normal distribution. There aren't a lot of problems. And if you haven't done it yet, if you just look at how many points are in homework 6, you can tell it's not very long. So really, it's more like 1 homework assignment and 1 lab. But that 1 homework assignment is kind of broken off into 2 things, where it's just the normal distribution stuff, like the normal distribution intro type stuff in homework 6, and then the central limit theorem, confidence intervals, and hypothesis test for a single proportion is homework 7. Let's see, if you ordered a workbook but you haven't gotten it yet, which I know has happened to a couple of people, where if you ordered it maybe toward the end of the week before break, like if you ordered it on the 21st or around there, you may not have gotten the workbook yet if you have to go pick it up at the bookstore. If that's the case, then just email me and send me the proof of purchase for the workbook if you didn't do that before, and then I can send you the worksheets, I guess the Beyond the Numbers pages, that you would need from the workbook in order to do Lab 5 and probably Lab 7 just to be safe, since Lab 6 doesn't involve any workbook activities, but Lab 7 does. I already have all those scanned, so if you need that and you have the proof of purchase but you don't have the workbook yet, just email me. That's not a hard thing to take care of. Let's see, the scheduler for exam 2, that will probably exist by the time you see this video. I think I know what's going to happen generally, but I still have to kind of think this over a little bit. I'm probably going to have to work around some stuff next Monday and Tuesday because I think those lab rooms are going to be used. So that means that the exam slots are going to have to be later in the day. I think what's going to happen is there will be 1 Monday from 4 to 6, 1 Tuesday from 4 to 6. Then I have to figure out where that third one's going to go. Probably also Tuesday, but that would probably mean it has to be later. So probably Tuesday from like 6:30 to 8:30 or something like that. It would be ideal if I could spread those out a little more, but I don't think I'd be able to use those lab rooms during the day, and it's not like I have another computer lab that I can use. So in a way, it's just kind of what we're stuck with. Let's see, the project, I pushed that back by a day because today I ended up with a ton of stuff to do, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to grade any projects, so I figured it made sense to push it back. Since I wasn't going to be able to grade them anyway, I would just push the project due date back to when I would actually be able to grade them. So that's what I did, and that's why the project is now due Thursday at noon rather than Wednesday at noon.